This is the procedure for changing the mechanical seal for a single-stage centrifugal fire pump. Step 1. Remove the priming tube using a 5/8 inch wrench. Unscrew the bolts of the cover using a 1/2 inch wrench. Remove the cover of the casing. You can use a slotted screwdriver. Unscrew the bolt of the cap using a 5/8 wrench and remove the cap. Remove the impeller using a slotted screwdriver. Remove the spring and the key. You can use a slotted screwdriver here as well. Remove the bushing with the seat part of the mechanical seal. Remove the seat part of the mechanical seal with a slotted screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the shoulder of the casing when you remove the seal. Clean the area of the shaft, the bushing, and the casing with a clean cloth and WD-40. Rub gently each edge of the bushing with 240 grit sandpaper. Remember, do this on both sides of the bushing. To install the new seal, first you must grease the edges of the seal. Be sure to put the black seal on the side that is tapered of the bushing. Put grease on the outside of the seal and push it onto the shaft. Be sure the seat is well supported and flat in the casing. The ceramic or stainless steel part of the seal should be visible. Clean the shaft with a clean cloth. Push the bushing on the shaft with the taper side of the bushing facing the engine. Install the key and the spring. Put grease on the waterway part of the impeller and the hub of the impeller. Push the impeller onto the shaft. Put silicone in the cap and install it onto the shaft. Screw the bolt on the shaft at up to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Remove the O-ring and clean the cover with WD-40. Reinstall the O-ring and put grease over the top of the entire O-ring circumference. Clean all the holes of the casing with WD-40 and remove all the waste by passing air through each hole. Put silicone in all the hoses. Install the cover with the fitting on the top. You can use a rubber hammer to make this easier. Put more silicone in the hoses again and screw in the bolts. At up to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Reinstall the priming tube.